Welcome back to the third and final part of the meal planning series. In the previous video, you have seen how to prep items as part of the meal planning and first day cooking based on meal prep. If you have not watched the first and second part of the video, then click on the cards which are appearing on the screen. The links are also updated in the description box. Today we are going to prepare wheat dosa and kadla curry for breakfast, stuffed chapati with chicken for lunch and bulgur for dinner. In this video, we will see how I have prepared family meals for the second day using the prepped items. The batter for wheat dosa is ready. The recipe is included in the description box. In the previous video, I had shown how to prepare kadla curry. I will provide the link in the description box. I am running out of curry for the second day, so I have added cooking cream to the kadala, which can also enhance the flavor. Coconut milk is an alternate option for cooking cream. Heat it and it is ready to serve. It took only 20 minutes for me to prepare the breakfast using the prepped items. For lunch, let's make stuffed chapati with chicken. Using a rolling pin, roll each bowl into a round chapati. Cut the chapati into half. Add 2 tablespoons of stuffing. Here I have used a mix of chicken and lettuce. Fold it carefully. Press the edges using a fork so that edges stick together and stuffing can remain inside. Now take the sandwich grill and place the stuffed chapati and close it and cook it. After 3 to 4 minutes, flip it and add butter or ghee and cook it for a few more minutes. Once cooked, take it out. You can also cook it using a tawa, but I felt this way is much better as it will not get burned. As chapati dough and filling were prepped a day before, it took less than 30 minutes to prepare the lunch. I have kept stuffed chapati with chicken, tomato sauce and orange slices in kids' lunch boxes. Let's prepare bulgur for dinner. I have bought marinated ready to cook meat. Let's cook this on medium flame. To the same wok, add 2 tablespoons of oil and add spring onions and saute for few minutes. Now add cooked mixed veggies which we kept aside while cooking fried rice, which I had shown in my previous video. It's a mixture of cabbage, beans, carrots, 2 cloves of garlic and 2 tablespoons of spring onions. Add 1 tablespoon of bulgur sauce and 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce or any chili sauce. Add spices according to your taste. Add 1.5 cup of bulgur, that is approximately 285 ml, and mix it well. Add 1 cup of any ready-made veg or non-veg soup, that is approximately 175 ml. I would prefer mushroom or chicken soup. Along with that, add 3/4 cup of water, that is approximately 150 ml. Now mix it well. Add the salt required and mix it well. Cover with a lid and cook on a lower flame for 10 minutes. The size of the bulgur will get doubled. Add cooked meat and mix it well. Now the bulgur is ready to serve hot. It took only 30 minutes for me to prepare dinner. Do try it and let me know your feedback. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.